Let's come down in my basement so you can show you this radio setup here. There's all my grandfather's World War II stuff. Some stuff from work here. There's the pool table that Gary wants to play pool on. And the bar. Oh, here's the ham radio shack. So the radio is mounted under here. It's usually mounted to that bracket next to the power supply. And then the face comes up here. And I ran another wire, the red one there, up the ceiling. Comes all the way around through here, and it goes above a couple steel beams. And it comes into here. Across, there's an access panel back there. It goes across the ceiling. It comes out there, and we're gonna mount the radio there. And what's this on the wall? Oh, look at this diagram, autographed by S7 Electronics made this. Oh, prototype has mistakes. Hi Danielle, what are you eating?